What's going on, guys? My name's Chants and you're watching Daily Hustle. I want to give you guys an update. This year we've had a lot of rain, slow start on everything. Everything's been delayed. Like, it's affected everybody with the rain and this weather somehow, some way. It's affected us for the landscaping. We had a late start, and then when we were trying to go, it just rained. We'd get rained out. It was just ridiculous. And now flooding behind our shop earlier in the season, but then it didn't get up as high as it did today. I mean, earlier in the season, it dropped. You know, the water went back down, and then now, you know, a few weeks ago we had the rain, right? We had the rain, and it did a little flooding, but then now the rain has stopped. But it rained up north, and so everybody's getting rain up there, but the water has to go somewhere, so it comes down our way. And everybody along the Des Moines River has been affected by it. Windham, which is I think 19 miles northwest of us, they're underwater. It's just crazy. They're flooded out. And now it's coming down to Jackson, as you guys can see. I'll show you in this video. I really hope and pray that it doesn't get any higher. And yeah, it's gonna affect the town, the community, and everybody that's around the river area. Let me explain a little bit. There's a river right east of us, and then there's a ballpark. And well, the river's flooded up, and then there's a street in between the ballpark, and then there's Dan's Island, which is right behind us. There's overflow, they call it. Yeah, I think that's what they call it. It's an overflow. So there's an overflow, and there's a piping underneath the street. So anything that overflows from the river will flow back into this part back of the laundromat here. So literally, we've been getting water from up north, you guys, and running down to the back of our laundromat, and that's why you can't pump nothing out. You can't pump no water, nothing out. It is what it is. And so we sandbagged yesterday, as you guys will see in the video. And yeah, this is a whole different type. I mean, I don't want to make it sad or anything. I just usually my videos are different from this, but I want to show you what's happening in our community and our town. And it's just the thought of not knowing what it's gonna do, right? Mother Nature has its own ways of doing things, and you can't control it. You only can try to prevent it, you know, try to take precautions, you know, on that. So, and we did, and now it's just Mother Nature's gonna do what it wants to do. So, alright, you guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Before we get into the video, please like, comment, and share, and hit that subscribe button on our YouTube, on the channel here, and hit the notification button if you like this video. It just helps me out, and it helps me out. And not only that, if you want to see more content, see what's happening in Jackson or what I'm doing, notification button, that little bell, I don't know where it's at, down here somewhere. That little bell is for when I post something, it'll notify you that video has been posted. So thank you, guys. Enjoy the video. Alright, as you guys can see, it's still raining, and I'm back here at the shop. Look at this, it is up high, you guys. Look at that. Right there's a trailer. Right there's a skid. I gotta move that out of the way. I gotta push that up more. Oh man. Look at this thing. Not good, guys, not good. Man. It's just been raining all night, you guys. It's not stopping until like tomorrow sometime. July 1st, came into town while camping. I'm to open up the laundromat here this morning, but I really wanted to come check the back of our laundromat. And last night, like 2 in the morning, you guys, I came and moved some stuff up, moved the Bobcat up that way, you can see, and then the trailer pushed all the way back that way. So here's what we got. Jeez. Right next to a shed. Can't do much. Can't stop the rain. Rain's gonna do what it does, so yeah. Alright guys, we are out mowing, and then we got this paper from the county sheriff, guys. We are flood warning. As many of you guys know, we've been flooded for a while now, and looks like it's 2+ more feet, you guys. That's gonna be rising. The rain has stopped, but it's all the rain from the river from up north. Alright guys, so the city's bringing us some pallets of sand and get that unloaded. Nice of the city to bring us the pallet of sandbags. Is the city over there on the left? I thought they were pulling in. They got a red truck with a couple.
Yeah, I see the truck go by.
dropping.
Thank you for the water.
Yeah, thank you guys. Appreciate
You're
it.
welcome.
Alright, thank you guys.
Yes,
Appreciate
you're
it.
welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks again for the waters.
Yeah, no problem. Don't work too hard.
Try not to.
We'll see you guys. Guys, it is July 7th. It is about 6:30 p.m. and I'm behind my shop right now. And yesterday we sandbagged, right? Around 3:34. Around 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. And look at how high we are now. Look at that. I can't even get through that. Water's all the way up here now, guys. Look at that. So it's come up quite a bit and it's still coming up. So I'm gonna go get some drone footage, some aerial view, and show you guys what how much it has actually came up. hope the flood doesn't repeat itself. Last time it was flooded pretty good was 1969. We've got about 3 feet, maybe 2 feet. 2 feet left. And I pray for the people that live right by the river here, that own the houses and stuff. You know, I'm worried about my shed, but the people's houses, I'm more concerned for them. They've got more to lose, so let's hope and pray this doesn't get up any higher. It has gone up quite a bit, you guys, since this morning. It's climbing. As you guys can see yesterday, that we were just sandbagging it. You know, there was a little bit of water in the front, but not as much as what we see now. So, yeah, it's about, what time is it? 8:34 p.m. right now. So we'll see what it does tomorrow. Let's see what it does tomorrow.